Hello, dear Leos. I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. So, this is a general reading for 2021. So, I have pulled 12 cards for each month for you guys. So, let's see quickly what is 2021 holding for you. And I can see the cards. There's lots of recognition, rewards, happiness, lucky time, money, manifesting. Wow, beautiful year for you guys. So let's start quickly. Okay, so in January, this is the 10 of wands. You are going to feel pressurized, lots of pressure on you, maybe work pressure, maybe relationship pressure, or maybe some kind of pressure. You are feeling overburdened by something in your life, or maybe you are feeling like I am not able to handle all these responsibilities by myself. I need somebody in my life. I need a support. I need something. I need something that is going to help me to come out of this situation. Let me tell you, Leo, this all this is in your mind. And being a Leo, you can handle everything in your life. You are the most, what I can say is the most, strengthful person from all zodiac sign is the Leo. They can handle anything in their life because they are the lions, right? So this is kind of energy for January. You can come out of this situation really very well if you think that this is the mind playing tricks with you. There's nothing that it seems like. You will come out of this situation. This is a little tricky. This is a little, annoying, but you will come out of this. Mark my words, okay? And in Feb 2021, you have this Queen of Swords energy. You are cutting out all the negative people from your surroundings, all the toxic relationship from your surrounding, all the toxicity in your surrounding that was stopping you from going ahead in your life. So you are going to cut out all the negativities in Feb 2021. You are ready to start a new life with a new zest and zeal, and you are feeling like, yes, this is what I want in my life and this is what I don't want in my life. Finally, you will be coming out of a confusing phase, and you are very, very clear what you want in your life and what you don't want in your life. And this is a very, very beautiful card, Leo, because this is going to make you take a decision that is life changing for you, that will change your life forever for the good. Okay, so this is the energy for Feb 2021. You are going to cut out everything that is toxic, everything that is holding you back from doing what you want in your life. Okay, so this is a card for Feb. Then March, very lucky period of your life, Wheel of Fortune. From March 2021 onwards, your life is going to be very, very beautiful. There is nothing that is stopping you from doing anything that you want in your life. Wheel of Fortune is a very beautiful card. Money coming in, luck coming in, beautiful things coming in, abundance coming in. Maybe a beautiful soulmate is also coming in your life that you were waiting from a long time. What I can see is maybe some past person will come to your life again and you guys will reconcile, but it can be a new person as well. There is no like such thing that the past person is coming only. A new person is also here, but what I can feel is the destiny will play a major role in your life in March 2021. Whatever is coming to you, whatever is happening with you, destiny is universe is helping you in that situation. Universe is guiding you in that situation. There's nothing that you can do about it. This is happening because the universe wanted it to be like this. Okay, so it is March. In April, it is the Nine of Pentacles. Lots of abundance, lots of prosperity, lots of happiness. Can you see this woman wearing this luxurious gown, all of the money behind her, and beside her there is kind of pet as well whom she is talking to. Prosperity. This is all about prosperity. This is all about money. What I can feel is you are enjoying singlehood, or maybe you have created all this wealth, all this happiness by yourself, and you are ready to enjoy the fruits of this hard work. Finally, in April 2021, it is going to be a very beautiful month for you guys in Leo in 2021. So you have to check it out for yourself, and do let me know in April. What I can feel is do let me know in April if you feel like this energy, this prosperity, this abundance is coming to you guys. Obviously this is not for everyone, but for someone who was working very hard, who was trying to become something in life, and who was trying really hard to do something in their life after lots of hard work, this is the reward that is coming to you in April 2021. Okay, In May, Knight of Cups energy is there. Somebody is coming to you with their cups filled, with their feelings, with their emotions. Maybe they are proposing you for marriage. Maybe they are proposing you for some kind of commitment or long-term relationship. Or if you are already married, then this is kind of energy that I'm picking is there will be new energy in your relationship. There will be new foundation. There will be something new happening in your relationship in May 2021 that is going to change your relationship with your spouse or with your partner for the best, for the better. Okay. And in June, Nine of Cups, it is kind of wish fulfillment. I am telling you, Leos, this year is going to be a breakthrough year for you guys. You are going to love it, love it, love it. I claim this energy for myself. I am a Leo rising, and this is making me so happy. Ouch. So yeah, this is Nine of Cups. So wish fulfillment is there, emotional stability is there, emotional happiness is there. You are going to feel like a king or queen, depends on the gender, and you are going to feel emotionally happy, emotionally stable, emotionally like you are on the top of the world. You are going to feel in June because all of this is coming to you because of your hard work, because of your persistence, because of your spontaneity in your life. All of this you have earned from your hard work and spontaneity, and all of this is coming to you by the universe. Okay. You remember the Wheel of Fortune? The universe is playing a major role in whatever is happening to your life, whatever it is. Okay. So yeah, so this is June, wish fulfillment, happiness, emotional stability. July, Two of Pentacles. Maybe you will have two options in your life in July, maybe two partners, maybe two jobs, maybe two business offers or something like that. You have to make a choice. You will keep on juggling. The little confusing phase is there in July 2021. You will not be able to take a firm decision whether I should go with that, whether I should go with that. So you will be a little confused about maybe what I can feel is this is related to Pentacles. So it is related to jobs, or it is related to kind of maybe you are, can you see the ships behind this person? If you can see. So it is kind of maybe you will you want to go abroad, or you want to stay in India. So it is kind of energy that you are confused between two things in your life. Basically it is maybe two jobs offer are there, and you are not able to understand which one is good for me, which one is not so much good for me. So you have to take a decision. It is very difficult for Leos to take a firm decision. So I can understand it is little confusing for you, but you will come out of this situation by the help of some friends or maybe some guidance. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, so August is, can you see the 1111? This is angelic number. Firm foundation is there. Happiness is there. Maybe you are kind of celebrating something with your friends. Maybe engagement, maybe marriage, or maybe there is some kind of you can say you are parting with some friends. You are parting with some parting, not parting, it is like the parting thing. Okay, so English is not my first language, so you have to bear with me. I'm so sorry about this. So this is kind of stability is coming in your life, and your happiness is coming in your life. You are stopping in your life and partying and enjoying and having fun with your family and friends. There is some kind of commitment coming in. There's some kind of engagement or happiness coming in August. So in September, yay! So in September it is the Six of Wands. There is some kind of recognition coming in, some kind of rewards coming in, some kind of if you are in a creative field, then some kind of award is coming to you, or there is some kind of if you are in writing field, then there is some kind of good project coming to you. Whatever it is, whichever field you are in, it is not related to creative field only. Whatever field you are in, whichever field you are in, there is some kind of recognition, there is some kind of rewards coming in your way in August, and that is going to, sorry, in October. And that is going to make you so happy. You are going to love it. Okay, October is there, October is gone. So November is Two of Wands. You are waiting for somebody or something very, very eagerly. So yes, what you are doing in October, yeah, sorry, I'm a little confused about the months. Okay, so it is like the October thing. So in October, what you are doing is you are waiting for something or someone very, very eagerly. Maybe that person is not coming to you, but you are manifesting them in your dreams, or you are manifesting them in your life, or whatever it is. Or maybe you are working on the project, or you are waiting for the results to come out. You are waiting very, very impatiently about this thing. So waiting game is on in October. That is what's happening in October with Leos. In November, the Magician card is there. You have everything in the world that you want for to manifest everything that you want in your life. So you have every resource in your life that is going to help you create a beautiful life for you. A beautiful manifestation period is on. So basically what I can see is now in November the manifestation game is on. You will be like a magician. You are going to help yourself in manifesting the the beautiful things that you always wanted in your life. You will be able to manifest everything that you wanted in your life. Magician is a card that will create magic if everything is provided to him or her. So it is kind of energy. You are the magician. You are the creator of your own life. The manifestation is high in November. So whatever it is coming in your way, there is wish fulfillment as well in November. So magician is basically manifestation and wish fulfillment that is coming your way in November. In December, it is Eight of Pentacles. So in December, what you are going to do is you are creating money. You are making money with your hard work, with your lucky hands, with your charm, with your divine timing. So you are creating money. You are creating a future for yourself. You are providing a firm foundation for yourself in December 2021, which will lead to a very happy future in 2022. So it is kind of hard work paying off, or you are making money in December 2021 by your hard work, leading you to a very, very firm foundation in 2021 by the end of 2021. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys for 2021. So let's quickly see what the angels want to say to you. What are the messages from the angels for Leo for 2021? Messages from the angels for Leo for 2021. Okay. Listen to intuition, communicate clearly, no need to worry, take action and get more information of whatever you do in life. So listen to your intuition. Leo's intuition is anyway very high, so you have to listen to your intuition whenever it comes to some tricky questions or tricky decisions in your life. You have to listen to your intuition for that. Then communicate clearly with everybody. There should not be any kind of confusion with you or the other person you are communicating with. Communicate clearly for everything that you do in your life, the projects, the work, the relationship, or whatever it is. Communicate clearly. Get more information about something before doing anything. You have to get more information about something that you need to do in your life. Okay, Leo, otherwise it is going to create some problem for you. Take action. Whatever you are thinking about, just don't keep on thinking about that thing. You have to take action as well. So take action as well. Just don't keep on thinking about that particular thing. Take action towards that. It is going to help you. So, and there is no need to worry about anything. The angels want you to say there is no need to worry about anything. You are on the right path and you are on the right track. You are going to get there soon. Okay, so in relationship, what I can feel is Knight of Swords. The past person is coming to you maybe, or somebody is coming to you very, very passionately, and they are in very much hurry. They are not letting you explain yourself. They are not letting you explain the meaning of what they are for you. So whatever this person is, whomsoever this person is, they are coming to you in a very hurried, in a very energetic way. So you have to take care of yourself before taking any kind of decision. Okay, any kind of serious decision about this person. Okay, and in health wise, what I can feel is, let's see your health. The Hierophant. You are going to be spiritual in 2021. So it is kind of energy. You are going to feel very, very spiritual, connected to the divine, connected to the universe. You are going to feel like, yes, this is what I am. This is who I am, a real spiritual being. I love myself. I love everyone around me. This universe is helping me. The universe is very good and all. So you are going to feel like a saint. It is kind of energy that is very, very good. Maybe spiritual awakening, maybe kind of spiritual guru. You will find somebody in your life that will change your life forever. Okay, so career wise, what I can see is, you see, career wise, it is the Two of